Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. As y'all can already see by the title, this video is me installing my wig over my starter locks, and obviously you clicked on the video for a reason, so keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you want to do every time you're about to install a wig is use some alcohol to clean up your forehead. I had a little bit of makeup left over from the day before, so I definitely needed to do this step. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so since I just have starter locks, they're in 2-strand twists, so I really didn't have to do nothing to do my hair. So I just let my wig cap on and just made sure that my hair was laying flat. And I already had a middle part because that's how I did my starter locks, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig I'm going to be installing. I made this wig myself. I can also make y'all custom wigs, so if y'all interested, y'all can go to my Instagram or go to my website. But this wig I had already worn, and I really didn't take the glue off from last time. But it's not like super dirty. It was just a little free spray. I don't actually use like the glue because I'm lazy. So this install is also going to be quick and easy. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be using a Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha, so we can be giving very much scalp vibes, you know what I'm saying? So whatever type of, powder makeup that you got, what's the word I'm looking for? I recommend using like a powder over like some type of liquid or something. So whatever type of powder makeup you got that matches your skin tone, use that. Okay, so right here, I'm just trying to comb some of their hair back so it won't be getting stuck all in the free spray. But, sometimes it still end up getting in there. But, it's really easy to comb it out. And I'm just aligning my wig to see where I want it to be at, to see where I'm going to, put the little free spray. So I'm only going to do 2 layers of spray. Sometimes I do 3. So I do the first one, blow dry it, do the second one. Don't let it get dry all the way. And that's pretty much it. I only wear my wigs for like, a day or 2. So this is pretty good for me. Okay, so remember for this second layer of glue, we're not going to let it get dry all the way. You want it to be tacky so the lace can stick to it. So I'm just going to blow dry a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my wig down. And then while I press it in with the end of my rat tail comb, I'll blow dry some more. So once I'm done doing that, I just take my scarf and put it on my head just to make sure that it is really laid down. So yeah. Right in the front, you did. Don't move my shit, man. Okay, y'all, so after that dance break, I'm going to be taking my scarf off. I think I let it stay on for like 10 to 15 minutes, nothing too long. And I'm just going to be taking some more alcohol and try to clean up the little leftover residue glue that you can see, whatever. And then after that, all y'all going to see me do is hot comb the top of the wig. I had already worn this like I told y'all, so it already had like wax in it. And then also, I'm going to be putting some makeup on the part. And then I'm going to attempt to do some baby hairs. I don't even know why I tried, y'all, because I really don't wear my wigs with, like, baby hairs out. And I am not Sweetie, baby. I am not the baby hair queen. So, do not be watching me do my baby hairs as a tutorial, because you will be SOL.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weed, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming.
Okay, y'all, so as always, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified every time I post.